Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Poshmark seller account step by step clearly. First, download the Poshmark app from the App Store or Google Play, or go to Poshmark.com on a computer. Open the app or website and tap Sign Up to create a new account, or log in if you already have one. Choose a sign-up method like email, Apple, Google, or Facebook, and complete the basic registration. Verify your email address by opening the message from Poshmark and clicking the verification link. Log back into Poshmark and go to your profile page to start setting up your seller presence. Tap Edit Profile and add a clear profile photo so buyers can recognize and trust your account. Set your username and display name and keep them simple, professional, and easy to remember. Write a short bio that explains what you sell and how fast you typically ship orders. Add your location and optional details to help buyers feel confident about your account. Go to Account Settings and confirm your phone number if Poshmark asks for verification. In Account Settings, review your notification preferences so you do not miss offers or sales. Next, open My Seller Tools and check that you can access features like listings and shipping. Go to Payment Methods and add a card if you plan to buy shipping supplies or make purchases. Then open Redeemable Balance or Posh Balance to understand where your earnings will appear. Connect your bank account for direct deposit if that option is available in your region. If direct deposit is not available, confirm how you will withdraw earnings, such as by check. Review Poshmark's seller guidelines and prohibited items list to avoid listing restrictions. Now tap Sell and choose List an item to begin the activation process with your first listing. Select the correct category and subcategory so your item appears in the right searches. Take bright photos in good lighting and include front, back, tags, and any flaws. Write a clear title with brand, item type, size, and key keywords buyers search for. Fill in the description with condition, measurements, material, and any important details. Set the correct size and color fields so filters work properly for shoppers. Choose a competitive price and leave room for offers if you want faster sales. Tap Next and confirm shipping details, because Poshmark will provide a prepaid label after a sale. Publish the listing and then share it to your followers and to relevant Posh parties. Complete a second listing to help your closet look active and to build early buyer confidence. Check that your closet shows as active and that you can send offers, share, and receive orders. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.